everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a Peachy cheap order. At first I was going to wait to do this because I have another Peachy cheap order coming in on Monday, except I'm too anxious. I want to use this. So, it is the Pebbles, and I thought I'd share what you got. So, let's start with the paper. Oops. So, it's called Spooky. Looks like that. I love it. So cute. I love the cats. And then it just starts over. So we got the paper pad. This size is 6 by 8. And then we got some thickers. They're alphabet letters. Capital size. No smalls. And of course numbers. Then we got this one. It says Happy Halloween, Spooky Tricks and Treats, 31 October. Mahana? I don't know. Candy, please. Eek. Maha. I don't know. And then Happy Boo Hunting. Boo. Yay. Hocus Pocus. Eek. Creepy. Spectacular trick. Treat. Boo and yikes. And then we got a sticker little pack. The house. Eek. Little skeleton. The pumpkins. The cat. The ghost. The candy. Boo. And then we got some ephemera. Check out the ephemera. Oh, package was sealed itself. I was like, what the heck? Always that one, guys. Always that one, you know? Okay. We have spider web. We have some houses. We have some witches' hats. We have the witch, the little skeleton, the owl, some more witches. And they do, in the center, have the little thing to break them apart, but I ain't going to. We have some flowers. We got like donuts and candy. Some bugs. A little pumpkin. Jack-o'-lanterns. Another jack-o'-lantern. We got some kitty cats. I thought that's cute. Some foliage. A little skeleton dude. Jack-o'-lantern spider kind of looking. Little ghost. And another ghost. And a candy corn witch. We'll just put that up there. I'll worry about putting it back in the package afterwards. And then in this little pack, we have a little mummy. Look at the little candy corn. Looks like a mummy. A spider, an eye, some worms, a bat, some crows, vampire lips, kitty cat on a broom, candy corn bat, some flowers, a jack-o'-lantern, a kitty cat, a Dracula, a little witch's brewing pot, some pumpkins, a ghost, that's a fly or some sort, a little monster, and a gold pumpkin. That's that pack. This one was 40 pieces. It doesn't have its own name, so I can't tell you what the name of that one. This is made by Pebbles, by the way, if you're wondering. I forgot to mention that. So here's the next ephemera pack. Oh, ew. We have Scary, Spooky, Happy Hunting, Hey Boo, October 31st, Happy Hunting. So this must be the words. Yep. That's cool, because I don't have a lot. Hashtag Squad Ghouls, Halloween, October, Spooktacular, Creepy, Hocus Focus. Happy Wicked Halloween. Happy Spooky Night. Eek! Yikes. Happy Halloween. Beautiful. Tricks or Treats. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bewitching. Can you guys see these? I'm sorry. Should I go through these real quick? So you guys can see them. You probably didn't get to see them. Scary. Of course, this has a braided thing so I can fold it. And the letters come separate. Can you see that? Little right there in the center. So that's kind of cool how they did that. There's that. Happy Halloween. Beautiful. Another Happy Halloween. Yikes. Eek. Have a Spooky Night. Wicked Halloween. And these. And we have Trick or Treat. We have Tis the Season to Be Spooky. Spooktacular. Bugs and Hisses instead of, that's cute. Creepy. And Halloween. And then we have this small pack. My fingers get working here. Okay. We have Life is Short, Eat Candy. 31. Give Me Some Sugar. Happy Halloween. It looks like a little bag. Enter If You Dare. Oh, this one's shaped like a little thing you can put on the head. Watch. Which way to the candy? Which? Trick or treat yourself. Eek. Spooky. I put a spell on you. It's like a book. It's cute. Too cute to spook. Here's a banner. What's that word? Mawaha. Maha. I don't know. Spooky. Trick or treat. Trick or treat in this like a little bag. And Hocus Pocus. Booyah. Something Wicked This Way Comes. And 31. And boo! So that is the Peachy Cheap. This was like probably 2 weeks ago they had this one. Because Sabrina got hers like last week. And mine was delayed. And not by Peachy Cheap either. By the postal department. But that is this one. And I can't even remember the next one I got coming. But this one was like $18.90, something like that. I thought it was a good deal. So I grabbed it. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now. Bye everybody and have a good day.